Kellen Goodell. We are out here at Colonial Lake, and we're going to talk about something that we do in the winter months, along with the winter pruning like we've discussed. This is also the time of year where you can do what we call editing or divisions, and different plants and perennials move and divide a little easier than others. So you can do a little research and find out which ones move easier than others and what kind of care they require afterwards. But the main concepts of editing or moving plants around, and we're going to be doing it with asparagus fern. And we had a great group out here last week that helped us prune all of these. So as you can see, they don't look like a whole lot right now. But when plants get really happy in space over the years, like these have been in the ground for 3 years, they kind of get too close to each other. So it's an opportunity to spread them out and get some continuity in your original plan and design. And you have free plants, healthy plants that have been in the ground. So with these perennials and many of the other plants that we will dig up and move around or divide and edit, the main thing you want to accomplish is getting as much of that root mass as possible. So you can just circle it with your spade or shovel. We've already kind of pre-done this one, but it's really not that hard, especially if you have some nice soil. And then again, just trying to get as much of that root mass as possible, because that's going to help it undergo less stress as you move it. So you can see we got a lot of healthy roots there. And so this, we can backfill the hole where it came from, and this gives its neighbors some room to breathe. And then we can move this and plant it like any other plant where we would like for it to go. And we can also divide these. And again, some plants divide easier than others. So now what once was a bunch of crowded plants, we have given everyone room, and we have 3 or 4 new plants to spread out and again continue this texture in the design. And this is just one of the many things that we do in the winter along with the cutback, is some editing and dividing of plants and perennials in our parks. And be sure to check out our virtual event happening in February, which is a walk in the parks all February long. You can check it out at walkintheparks.org and get out and explore your parks.